Yeah, yes. Like the customers that contact you in Korea, right? They are giving you brand idea. Are you giving you design ideas, or are you getting the design from inside?
Inside.
But you're getting no ideas from the Korea market in terms of designs?
No, just about the product colors or some other ideas we need to print on the...
That's still idea, right?
Yeah, yes.
That's still design idea. So sometimes you can use that to help get you to think about how you may change your brand too. All right? Because sometimes Korea may provide you some inspiration for how you may provide different designs here. Okay?
Yes.
So you try to work with your OEM customers, not just to do business with them, but get them to teach you more. Get them to give you more ideas.
Yes, we got that. We learned that Korean customers like most product is colorful.
That's
Yes, but you know, U.S. customer only black or white.
At the moment,
yes.
But that maybe in the future,
yes.
you can start a new trend.
Yes.
How do you know? You don't know, right?
Yes.
Okay, so in the future, Amazon, your products are on Amazon. They're black and white, right?
No, not only black. We have colors.
You have colours here, right? And so you've got. Do you know all your competitors on Amazon? Do you know all the other competitors you can see on it? Yeah. And do you know how fast you are selling compared to your competitors? So if you have a look at Terapeak, do you know what Terapeak is? Terapeak.com. I think it's Terapeak, yeah. www. Mia will send you the proper link. But what you can do is actually you can put your product into here, and actually, or you can put a generic USB product into here, and you can put any of your competitors' product in here and find out how fast they're selling. So that may give you a little bit more intelligence about how you're going on Amazon. Okay, so that can give you idea too. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, because not just Amazon, then you've got eBay, right? eBay, and then there's others. There's others. Amazon not the only e-commerce site. So this may give you a little bit more insight into what type of USB devices are selling well and what ones are not selling well. All right. If you go to here, this will show you. Yeah. And that can help you, give you some market intelligence. So to summarize, without wasting too much of your time, and thank you for allowing us to come today, summarize, you have two areas to find out your marketing intelligence. One, you can learn a lot from your OEM, okay? Learn a lot from your customers in Korea. They're giving you feedback, this is what's working. So they're giving you ideas. All right, and so then that can help feed into here. But number two, if you go here, you can learn from your competitors in what's selling well on Amazon. So you can work out how do your products compare. They're all black and white, you're black and white, but you have colour. Is colour working? You can go onto here, you can find out some more details on that. Yeah, so I think 1 and 2. But I would hope that you could get much more intelligence from your OEM customer. Yeah. Remember, there are Koreans live in America too. They're multicultural America. So it's not just white people in America. So yeah. Okay, just some ideas.
Yes, thank you.
I hope that helps, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.